What is the one thing that makes you look forward to summer days? Now, before you plan any outdoor cooking, please watch this video to the end. You will sure benefit one or two things. Now, before we continue, or as we continue, let me say thank you so much to my returning subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for always tuning in. And if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Anniekrieger. Thank you for watching. My most highlight in summer is the outdoor cooking. And when we talk about outdoor cooking, there should be cocktail or mocktail, however you call it, because this is just going to chew your soul all through. We're going to be having more like, in this video, you will see more like a three-course meal. The first one is aperitif. When it comes to aperitif, you want to have something a little bit bitter to get your system ready for that main dish. And today I'm having orange lemon uh, cocktail or mocktail. So I went ahead to peel my orange, slice, add it to your glass. You want to add in some mint leaf. Then go ahead and use your cocktail presser or masher, smash it a little bit to let out all the juice. I'm sorry the camera didn't catch me adding some ice cube, which is very important. And then I went in with some bitter lemon, okay? uh, Whatever you feel like adding. And then I added some mineral water. I went in topping in garnish with some lemon slice and some mint leaf. And that's it. Very simple, but the taste is top notch. This is just going to cool your system all through while we'll continue with our main dish. For our main dish, we will be having some shrimps or skeweys and chicken skeweys. I've gone ahead to prep all that, okay, marinated perfectly 3 hours ago, or more like 4 hours ago. I did this in the evening, in the morning, sorry to say. For the veggies, we have some paprika, zucchini, and onion, mixed paprika. And then I have my potato wedges. This one is the most important thing when it comes to grilling for me. Now for the potato wedges, I will do that indoor. So I'll just hop that in the oven inside. While we'll continue our outdoor cooking with the chicken skewers. For my chicken skewers, I went with the chicken quarter because it's more juicier than the chicken breast. And I also added some onion and zucchini in the middle to keep it very juicy and tender. I started first with the chicken scareways because it takes a little bit more longer time to cook or grill than the shrimp scareways. I marinated these with just simple ingredients: salt, pepper, paprika powder, garlic, ginger powder, and so on and so forth. You can make use of any one of your choice. I added some vegetable bouillon powder, okay, just small amount of it. You want to season to your preference, okay? So I had to do this behind the camera to, to keep the time short for you. So we're about to go. I'll come in with my veggies, everything well sliced. The spices or herbs you see there is rosemary and lemongrass. I season with some salt, some pepper, and some black cracked pepper will be coming in later. So while we do this, I would say thank you for still watching. I truly appreciate you. Please hit the like button for me if you haven't already done so. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I beg you, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more amazing content or recipes or videos like this. Thank you so much. One thing about summer outdoor cooking is the time is very important. There is no way you want to do your outdoor cooking when it's real hot, and I don't know how to classify that. On this day, it was very hot. So we had to wait, look for something simple to eat during the day, get everything prepped, and wait until that golden sunfall time moment. And I bet you it worth everything. It is so quiet, so chilling and cozy. Another golden moment for us in summer is getting your veggies from your garden. No matter how small the garden looks like or the apartment, there should be always little way to do some plants, some salad, some vegetables to take you or to carry you for the summer season. So all those salad, I have arugula salad, I have some lettuce, I have some spinach, some this red spinach in here, and we are going to. I just seasoned this with the most interesting marinade, Italian marinade, which is salt, pepper, balsamico vinegar, and olive oil. That's all, guys. And my first year of living in Austria, my wish has been, just moving over to the big city, Vienna. But for hobby, it was a no for him. Until after a few years, we during the summer days, we just went for some shopping in Vienna. Ever since that day, I think it was in July's time. Ever since that day, I promised myself I will never live in the city or I will never visit the city during summer because I don't know how people cope over there, how you guys manage it over there. Yeah, if you are used to your space, that's it. You just don't want to trade it for something else. And this is one of the most interesting thing when it comes to living in the countryside in diaspora. Like the summertime is always so interesting and beautiful. Here we go, guys. Everything is ready. We have our vegetables and the proteins. Uh, our potato is ready. I have those barbecue sauce. I made this, okay? And the salad. Here we go, guys. I could not wait. The moment I tasted the photo, ooh, I just shot. Now you hear those bird sounds all through, guys. This is more like therapeutic for me. It is so cool when I hear them. Only in the morning, I just don't like to hear those birds. I want to sleep. But yes, joke apart. So, we want to go ahead with our dessert. For today, dessert, we'll be having some chocolate brownie and grilled banana. Grilled plantain, not banana, grilled plantain, like African plantain. Now, for the chocolate brownie, if you haven't seen my recipe, I will leave the link in the description box. This is one of the best chocolate brownie ever you will ever taste. I went in with some strawberry, okay, and some drizzle in some chocolate sauce. So I will be having some cooking workshops at home. So I had to come up with so many ideas of my own recipes, like African recipes modernized in a fine dining way. One of the desserts I have here is grilled plantain, well ripe plantain. You want to go ahead and slice it just as you see on the screen. Spread in some amount of butter to your pan, okay, and then grill the plantain. No, I'm not saying pan frying, just grill it to achieve what you see here. And then go in with some amount of honey. Yes, good amount of honey, sorry, not money, honey. And then go in with some rum or any alcohol taste of your choice. If you want to substitute with the alcohol, you can go in with orange juice. Even if I still had to go in with orange juice, should have gone added some orange juice here, but I didn't have any at home on that day. And then I added some mint powder, and that's it. Not mint powder, sorry, cinnamon powder. And guys, it was top notch. So just fold it in and plate just like this. I went in with some cream, some beaten walnut heavy cream. Okay, plate it like this. I went in with some tui. You see what on the screen just to decorate some tui. And that's it, guys. It was so good. And I'm so glad this recipe of the plantain is for me the highlight. I loved it. It tasted really good. I hope you enjoy watching, guys. Let me know what's your highlight in today's video. I hope to see you again. Don't forget to hit the like button. Leave your opinion in the comment section. I love to read from you. And see you all in my next one. Bye for now.